Sick of chunky, unblended ice and stringy spinach ruining your morning smoothie? Today, we are breaking down the absolute best high-power blenders that will turn any tough ingredient into liquid gold. In this video, we are counting down the top 7 high-power blenders on the market right now, ranking them from our least favorite to the absolute undisputed champion. By the end of this comprehensive breakdown, you will know exactly which blender deserves a permanent spot on your kitchen counter, and you might be surprised to see which premium machine took our number 1 spot. Number 7. OMMO OM200. When we first unboxed this machine, we were immediately struck by its sleek profile and the promise of high-speed performance at a more accessible price point. It certainly looks the part of a modern, professional kitchen appliance, complete with a generously sized pitcher and a straightforward, intuitive control panel. The spec sheet boasts a seriously impressive wattage that suggests it should be able to handle just about anything you throw into its large capacity container. It features a multi-leaf stainless steel blade system that is specifically designed to slice through ingredients rapidly. Furthermore, the variable speed dial gives you the tactile control you need to start slow and gradually ramp up the power as your ingredients begin to incorporate. We decided to test the OMMO OM200 with a standard morning recipe featuring frozen bananas, a heavy handful of spinach, chia seeds, and almond milk. Initially, the machine seemed to tackle the fresh ingredients with relative ease, pulling the spinach down quickly. The liquid base mixed well, and the initial blending speed was quite promising. However, as we introduced harder frozen chunks and solid ice, the machine started to aggressively show its limitations. The motor pitch became uncomfortably high and incredibly loud, and we even noticed a slight, concerning burning plastic smell when running it at maximum speed for more than a minute. You really have to use a lot of liquid to keep the vortex moving, otherwise the blades just spin out in a pocket of air, leaving you with large, unblended chunks of frozen fruit hiding at the top of the pitcher. Ultimately, the OMMO OM200 is a functional entry-level option if you primarily make basic protein shakes with soft, fresh fruits and plenty of liquid. Number 6. Ninja BN701. Ninja is an absolute giant in the blender space, and this model is one of their most popular offerings. It features their signature sleek gray and black aesthetic and comes with a massive 72-ounce pitcher that is perfect for making large batches of smoothies for the whole family. The standout feature of the BN701 is Ninja's famous Auto IQ technology, which provides preset programs that do the work for you. You simply press the smoothie button and the machine pulses, pauses, and blends in a specific pattern designed to optimize ingredient breakdown. It also utilizes Ninja's unique stacked blade tower, which runs entirely up the center of the pitcher rather than just sitting at the bottom. In our testing, we found that this stacked blade design is absolutely incredible at one specific task, turning solid ice into perfectly fluffy snow in a matter of seconds. If you are making frozen margaritas or icy slushies, the Ninja BN701 tears through the ice with a ferocious, unmatched speed. The Auto IQ program is also genuinely convenient, allowing you to walk away while the blender runs its cycle. Yet, when it comes to crafting a genuinely healthy, nutrient-dense green smoothie, the stacked blade tower becomes a massive drawback. Because the blades are stacked rather than sitting at the base, the blender completely fails to create a proper downward vortex. Instead of pulling leafy greens and seeds down into a liquid state, it simply chops them into tiny, distinct pieces, resulting in a gritty, chewy green smoothie that is not pleasant to drink. Furthermore, the blade tower is dangerously sharp and a massive pain to clean by hand without risking a cut. 5. Oster BLSTMB-CBG-000. This machine feels like a return to classic, reliable blending, but with some fantastic modern upgrades under the hood. Right out of the box, the most refreshing feature is its heavy, thermal shock-resistant Boroclast glass pitcher, which feels incredibly premium compared to the plastic pitchers found on most competitors. Powered by a robust 1200-watt motor, This blender utilizes Oster's dual-direction blade technology. This means the stainless steel blades actually alternate their rotation forward and backward during the blending cycle. Paired with an extra-wide base, this system is specifically engineered to allow ingredients to easily flow down into the blade path. We put the Oster Pro 1200 through our standard green smoothie test, packing it with frozen mango, tough kale stems, and flax seeds. The dual-direction technology proved to be much more than a marketing gimmick. When the ingredients started to bridge and get stuck, the reverse blade action quickly kicked in, instantly freeing the jam and pulling the mixture back down into the vortex without requiring a tamper. The resulting smoothie was remarkably smooth, vastly outperforming the Ninja when it came to liquefying greens and breaking down the tiny flax seeds. The glass jar also didn't absorb any odors from the ingredients, and the pre-programmed smoothie setting took the guesswork out of the timing. It handled the frozen mango beautifully, creating a thick, creamy consistency that was an absolute delight to drink. The Oster Pro 1200 is an outstanding mid-range blender that strikes a brilliant balance between classic durability and modern blending power. If you prefer the hygienic feel of a real glass pitcher and want a machine that resists jamming without breaking the bank, this blender is a highly capable and dependable daily driver. For ASTRALSHIP ASH01-S Pro. This blender means serious business, featuring a heavy-duty motor base and an aggressive industrial design that looks like it belongs behind the counter of a busy cafe. It is built for people who refuse to compromise on sheer blending force. The heart of the ASTRALSHIP is a monstrous motor that drives a sophisticated 6-leaf stainless steel blade assembly. Unlike cheaper models, these blades are forged from hardened steel, designed not just to slice, but to completely crush and emulsify ingredients on a microscopic level. It also features a fully variable speed dial, giving you ultimate precise control over the blending process, from a gentle stir to a roaring vortex. During our testing, we decided to push this machine to the limit with a heavy, low-liquid acai bowl base, packed with frozen berries and thick chunks of frozen avocado. Using the included tamper to press the ingredients down, the ASTRALSHIP obliterated the frozen mass. The motor barely bogged down, maintaining a consistent, powerful speed even against heavy resistance. The vortex created by the pitcher's design and the 6-leaf blades is incredibly aggressive. It violently pulls everything down into the center, ensuring that no stray chunk of fruit is left behind. The resulting texture of our smoothie bowl was incredibly dense, silky, and free of any ice crystals, mimicking the exact consistency you would pay top dollar for at a boutique juice bar. The ASTRALSHIP ASH01-S Pro is a powerhouse that brings true commercial-grade performance into the home kitchen. It is exceptionally well suited for users who prefer thick, spoonable smoothies, large batch processing, and the tactile satisfaction of manually controlling the exact speed of their blend. 3. Turbosaver TB79. This machine is an absolute titan in the high-power category, combining raw, unrelenting blending force with a surprisingly refined user experience. The build quality is immediately apparent, featuring a low-profile, shatterproof Triton pitcher that fits comfortably under standard kitchen cabinets while still holding a massive volume of ingredients. The Turbosaver TB79 operates with an incredibly efficient motor that transfers power directly to a heavy-duty, all-metal drive socket. This metal-on-metal connection ensures maximum durability and prevents the stripping that often plagues cheaper blenders over time. The control interface is brilliantly straightforward, offering a seamless variable speed knob and a dedicated, highly responsive pulse switch. We challenged the Turbosaver with a notoriously difficult recipe, a fibrous concoction of raw carrots, whole apples with the skin on, ginger root, and ice. The machine devoured the hard vegetables instantly. The most impressive aspect was the sound. While certainly powerful, the motor housing features excellent sound dampening, making it noticeably less grating and shrill than the other high-speed blenders we tested. The resulting drink was a revelation. There was absolutely no pulp, no stringy ginger fibers, and no separation of liquid and solid. The Turbosaver TB79 essentially juice blended the hard produce into a perfectly uniform, easily drinkable nectar. It creates such extreme friction at high speeds that it can even heat cold ingredients into a steaming hot soup in under 6 minutes. This machine earns its spot in the top 3 through pure, undeniable consistency and exceptional engineering. The Turbosaver TB79 is a joy to use every single morning, offering professional-grade results, robust durability, and a surprisingly quiet operation that won't wake up the entire house when you make your early morning breakfast. 2. Aeitto blenders for kitchen. This machine is a masterpiece of modern kitchen technology, effortlessly blending sleek, high-end aesthetics with terrifyingly powerful performance. The Aeitto features a stunning, illuminated touchscreen control panel that instantly elevates the look of any kitchen counter. Beyond its beautiful exterior, the Aeitto is armed with an advanced, multi-tier blade system that is meticulously angled to create a perfect, inescapable vortex. The interface offers an array of highly calibrated presets for smoothies, ice crushing, and purees, alongside a manual slider for custom control. The pitcher is crafted from BPA-free, high-impact tritan material, designed to withstand extreme temperature changes and high-velocity impacts. In our tests, the Aeitto matched and even slightly exceeded the performance of heavy-duty commercial blenders. We packed it with a dense mixture of frozen pineapple, raw almonds, spinach, and coconut water. With a single tap of the smoothie preset, the machine handled the rest. It smartly varied its speed, surging to pull the floating almonds down before accelerating to an incredible top speed to liquefy the mixture. The texture it produced was impossibly velvety. The raw almonds were completely emulsified into the liquid, leaving zero gritty residue behind. The Aeitto creates a smoothie that feels incredibly light and aerated on the tongue, transforming heavy, dense ingredients into a cohesive, creamy delight. The self-cleaning function also worked flawlessly, requiring just a drop of dish soap and warm water to blast the pitcher clean in seconds. The Aeitto Professional Blender is a premium, high-tech experience through and through. It provides flawless, ultra-smooth results, an incredibly user-friendly interface, and a gorgeous design. If you want a machine that feels like a luxury appliance while delivering top-tier power, the Aeitto is practically perfect. 1. Vitamix Ascent X5. Vitamix has long been the gold standard in the blending world, and the Ascent X5 represents the absolute pinnacle of their engineering. From the moment you touch the heavy, impeccably crafted base and lock the container into place, you know you are operating a machine that will likely outlive your kitchen. The Ascent X5 features Vitamix's iconic laser-cut, aircraft-grade stainless steel blades. Unlike other blenders that rely on razor-sharp edges that dull over time, the Vitamix blades are intentionally blunt, relying on the sheer, overwhelming torque of the motor to violently pulverize ingredients at the molecular level. This model also introduces self-detect technology, automatically recognizing the size of the container you place on top and adjusting its blend settings accordingly. Testing the Vitamix Ascent X5 almost feels unfair to the other blenders on this list. We threw the ultimate stress test at it. Frozen raw cauliflower, hard blackberry seeds, tough celery, and frozen chunks of pitaya. Using the precise programmable timer, we let the machine do its work. The vortex it creates is a thing of beauty, a deep, aggressive funnel that continuously folds the ingredients into the crushing blades. The final smoothie was absolute perfection. Every single blackberry seed was annihilated. The fibrous celery was rendered completely invisible. The mixture was perfectly uniform, vibrantly colored, and possessed a rich, creamy, almost mousse-like texture that you typically only ever experience at world-class culinary institutions. Furthermore, the motor never strained, never overheated, and sounded smooth and controlled the entire time. While it is undeniably a significant financial investment, the Vitamix Ascent X5 comes with an industry-leading warranty and a reputation for lifelong reliability. Its self-cleaning capability, smart container recognition, and absolute, unwavering perfection in every single blend make it the undisputed best high-power blender money can buy.